Building innovation mindset involves developing a way of thinking that embraces creativity, challenges the status quo, and seeks novel solutions to problems. This mindset is characterized by an openness to change and a proactive approach to identifying and exploiting opportunities for innovation. Key aspects of an innovation mindset include curiosity, continuously questioning how things work and why they are the way they are, which fuels the search for new ideas and approaches. Experimentation, willingness to try new things, test hypotheses, and learn from both successes and failures. Flexibility, ability to adapt thoughts and behaviors in response to changing circumstances or new information. Problem solving, looking at challenges from multiple perspectives to find effective and sometimes unconventional solutions. Collaboration, working with others to combine different ideas, skills, and viewpoints to foster innovation. Risk-taking, being comfortable with uncertainty and taking calculated risks that are necessary for breakthrough innovations. Open-mindedness, demonstrating a visible ability to keep an open mind towards any situation or happenings while learning. Building an innovation mindset can significantly enhance personal and organizational capacity to drive change and create value in a competitive environment. Set aside brainstorming and outside-the-box exploration time. Innovation thrives when employees have dedicated time and team to explore ideas. Google's famous 20% time allowed staff to work on personal projects, leading to groundbreaking innovations. Consider allocating specific hours or days for staff to tackle creative challenges or explore new concepts. Thoughts. The focus should be on practice and experimentation, not just outcomes. Develop a culture of constant improvement. Create an environment where continuous improvement is celebrated. Encourage open dialogue about gaps and areas for enhancement. When employees know their suggestions are valued, they become more proactive in proposing solutions. Attend workshops and training sessions. Expose staff to workshops, seminars, and training programs that nurture creativity. These sessions provide fresh perspectives, introduce new techniques, and inspire innovative thinking. Consider inviting external experts, specialists, or organizing internal knowledge-sharing sessions. Foster cross-functional collaboration, break down silos, encourage staff from different departments to collaborate on projects. Cross-functional teams bring diverse viewpoints, leading to creative, ideas-based solutions. Regular interactions between marketing, engineering, design, research is critical. Create a safe space for experimentation. Fear of failure stifles creativity. Assure staff that experimentation is welcomed and that mistakes are part of the learning process. Celebrate both successes and failures as valuable lessons. When staff feel safe, they're more likely to think innovatively. Recognize, reward creativity. Acknowledge and celebrate innovative contributions. Implement recognition programs such as Innovator of the Month, where outstanding ideas receive public praise. Tangible rewards, like bonuses or extra vacation days, can motivate employees to think creatively. Encourage curiosity and exploration. Inspire staff to explore beyond their immediate roles. Encourage reading, attending conferences, and participating in forums. Curious minds are more likely to generate novel ideas. Consider creating a company library or providing subscriptions to relevant publications. Provide access to resources. Equip employees with tools, software, and resources that facilitate creativity. Whether it's design software, data analytics tools, or access to research databases, having the right resources empowers staff to innovate. Invest in training to maximize their utilization. Lead by example by playing a pivotal role in shaping the organization's culture. Demonstrate creativity, openness to new ideas, and a willingness to take calculated risks. When leaders actively participate in brainstorming sessions and champion innovation, it sets the tone for the entire workforce. Celebrate small wins. Not all innovations are monumental. Celebrate incremental improvements and small wins. Recognize employees who contribute to process enhancements. Encourage diverse perspectives. Diversity fuels creativity. Ensure a mix of backgrounds, experiences, viewpoints within teams. Different perspectives lead to innovative solutions. Encourage respectful debates and value dissenting opinions. Provide autonomy and trust. Empower staff to make decisions, take ownership of their projects, trust their judgment. Autonomy fosters creativity and encourages staff to think independently. Common barriers that can hinder creativity in organizations. Lack of employee engagement. When employees don't feel valued, confident, or empowered, their creativity suffers. Actions to overcome. Thank employees for all ideas, regardless of whether they are pursued. Encourage confidence by helping workers grow their skill sets. Empower employees to pursue creative ideas by providing time and resources. Create rewards that help staff to feel high levels of motivation and belongingness. Create teams, provide them challenging tasks to complete, periodically review work, and offer encouragement. Lack of purpose. Without a strong sense of purpose, employees may lack intrinsic motivation. Craft a compelling company mission statement. Establish a shared vision. Align work with organizational purpose to ignite passion and effort. Connect purpose to creative problem solving. Weak ties and lack of collaboration. Insufficient cross-functional collaboration limits exposure to diverse perspectives. Create cross-functional teams for projects. Rotate employees across different roles. Organize interdepartmental workshops and knowledge-sharing sessions. Reinforce core values of the organization. Psychological safety is critical. Fear of judgment or reprisal stifles creativity. Establish an anonymous suggestion system. Celebrate ideas, even unconventional ones. Encourage respectful feedback in meetings. Lack of creative space. A sterile, rigid work hampers creativity. Design collaborative spaces for quiet areas for reflection. Encourage staff to personalize workspaces. Limited professional development opportunities. Stagnant skill development stifles creativity. Offer training programs on creativity and innovation, continuous learning, and skill enhancement. Invest in staff growth. Fostering creativity, outside-the-box thinking among staff is essential for driving organizational success and maintaining a competitive edge in a changing business landscape. By cultivating a culture of creativity, providing time and space for exploration, encouraging curiosity and experimentation, empowering autonomy and ownership, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, providing resources and support, promoting collaboration and teamwork, emphasizing risk-taking, recognizing and celebrating creativity, and sustaining momentum and continual improvement, creates a positive environment.